So we're going to briefly go over some chord shapes, 3 of them to be exact. It's going to be, and we're going to play it in a waltz, so that's going to be in 3/4. We'll get to that in a minute. That first one is going to start on E, so 7 on the A string. Then you're going to come up to the perfect 4th, which is right the next string right above it, and then a major 6th. So this, perfect 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 4, 6. You could call that a 6 suspended 4th. It's fancy schmancy. You could also call it an inversion. What a 6 suspended 4th means, 1 and 6 and a 4th. They call it suspended because you're not using a 3rd. There's no most chords. I could say most on this. If you disagree, comment below, like, subscribe, all that stuff too. But most chords have a major or minor 3rd in them. When it uses a 4th, it's typically called a suspended 4th. Fancy ass word for 1, 4, 6. So to play that in a kind of a waltz feel, we're going to do 7 on the A string, the root note, which is E. So E, and then the next 2 notes 2 times. And I kind of claw my hand here and just pluck it that way. Then we're going to come down here, which is going to be on C sharp. So that's going to be 9, 8, 6, ascending the strings. That's just a major triad. You just call it a major chord as well. A chord is more than 2 notes, by the way. That's the definition of it. We choose to call 3 of them triads. So again, you're going to do the same thing. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same note right there. So you're playing 1, 3, 5 scale degrees. Same idea. And then what I do here is I move up. So we're going to be on F sharp, E, F, F sharp. We're going to play major 3rd again, and the octave. So that's just going to be a 3rd. There's no 5th involved or anything like that, and we just play, what is that, 9, 8, 11. And then we come down to the same pattern. So we have this pattern, which is the C suspended 4th. And then we have a major triad, 3rd with the octave, and then 3rd with the octave, starting on 7 on the E string. Same pattern, move it down here. So you're going to have 7, 6, 9. Put it all together. And I almost messed it up because I throw a thing in when I wrote this with accidentals. Accidentals are playing notes that are not part of the chord or the scale. It pulls your ear away and it could add a hook to it. What I mean by that is the main progression that I was doing is right there. There. And that's not an accidental, that one. That's going down to a minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are we going with that? So I'm going to add more videos with chord shapes. The main idea, that's the first one. The major triad definitely is one you wanna. Can never make it a full video without stuttering and flubbing. That's going to be one you're going to want to get under your fingers, literally. Same with a 3rd and an octave, 3rd and an octave, and then the 6 suspended 4th. Any questions, leave it in the comments. Happy shredding. See you on the next video.